How to rank your affiliate offer #1 on Google. What I'm talking about here is called parasite SEO, and what it basically means is leveraging authority on a strong domain and posting an article that will rank for a specific keyword. So let me show you an example so you can understand this much easier. So if we look right here, Forbes is not a website about CBD products. As you know, Forbes is kind of just general, whatever, entertainment, news. However, Forbes ranks #1 for the term best CBD gummies. So it's not really about the websites that are specifically just tailored for CBD gummies. Forbes is ranking #1 because they have a strong domain, and I'll explain all of this in a second. But by the way, I created a blueprint for the best business model out there, so check the description. If you go here, actually, if you go to Google, you can check this yourself. And obviously these rankings fluctuate from time to time. But basically here I typed in best CBD gummies, and you will see that, well, oh, sorry, Forbes is #2. So Healthline is #1, which also doesn't really have, it's not specifically CBD gummy website. It's a little bit related, I guess, to the health, but still, it's not really about CBD. Forbes, nothing to do with CBD, it's #2, and here it was Times Union. I think this was #4, ranking for CBD gummies. So all of these websites, they're ranking just because they have high domain authority. So the way this works is within these articles, you can do different things. You can have your own offer, you can have affiliate offer, lead generation, so on and so forth. But for these specifically, there are some affiliate marketers, because all of those links are just affiliate links that are generating some really crazy good money from ranking these articles. By the way, I have created a document of 50 best growth hacks used by the biggest marketers out there. Check the link below. So let me explain you now how exactly does all of this stuff work. So the very first step is we want to do keyword research. So usually you want to use a keyword research tool. Sometimes you might, if you really don't want to invest on keyword research tool, I guess you can kind of just do a little bit of research on Google and some of the free tools out there. I will leave some of the links. Actually, I will leave links for all of the different tools that you need, and I have created an SOP document, step-by-step actionable steps, how to implement this strategy. So I will leave that in the description. Check out the description. But the main point here is that you want to find keywords that you want to rank for. Once you have found these keywords, then what you can do is you can use AI tools to get SEO optimized articles written for you, or you can write articles yourself. Obviously, it kind of depends. I would say one thing is you probably don't want to use ChatGPT, because first thing, the articles written with ChatGPT, Google is pretty good at detecting them as AI written content, so it's difficult and they might not rank then. The second thing is that ChatGPT, you can write some SEO optimized articles, but there are specific tools that really allow you to optimize for SEO to the next level. So I would say if you really, if you're going to invest the time and money, you might as well get one of those tools. I'll leave some of the recommendations, but you want to make sure, because here we are optimizing for SEO. So it's important that it's not just a basic article that's written. You need to have it optimized for that specific keyword and related keywords that you want to rank for. And obviously you can also write it yourself, so you can do all of this yourself. Obviously AI just makes it way faster, way easier. I would say that in the best scenario, I would probably write it with AI, and then have it edited. And I wouldn't write it myself. I would just outsource all of this stuff. And again, I will leave some links where you can outsource this for super cheap. Just check out my SOP. So then step number 3, what we're doing is we need to publish this article, and I will show you later, there are some free platforms where you can do this with really high domain authority, or you can pay for a post. So for example, if you want to publish on some of these websites, let's say we had the Healthline, Forbes, Times Union, they don't allow you just to publish a guest post. So you will need to pay if you want to publish an article on these websites. And there are certain websites that have super high domain authority and that rank really well, and sometimes rank really well specifically for specific niches. And you can just pay for those articles and get them ranking. So once you have published your article, then the fourth step is you want to get some backlinks. So this is not always necessary depending on how competitive the keyword is. Sometimes it might be enough just to publish on this really high domain authority website and the article might just rank in either top 1 or top 5, depending, maybe top 5 for you is enough. But if it's not ranking, or if you want to make sure it's the number 1, you can get some backlinks. So again, there are a bunch of different ways. I'm not going to explain how to get the backlinks in this video. I will leave some information. Maybe you can just go through a process, or you can buy some backlinks. Just be careful, don't buy like really dodgy backlinks. I'll mention this a little bit later, but yeah, you get some backlinks if you want to make sure that it ranks really high. And then the last fifth step is to make money. Then if you want to make affiliate commissions, as I said, sales, collect leads, put your offer, whatever you want to do, you can do whatever with this strategy. You just insert that within your article, and it is as simple as that. It's actually really not that much of a complicated system. So now let me show you a couple more things. So first of all, some of the platforms that I mentioned that are free platforms with really high domain authority. So first of all, we have Medium, I think they have 98 or something domain authority. LinkedIn is another great one. Reddit, Quora. Obviously, you can write different types of articles on these platforms. So Medium, LinkedIn is probably a little bit better, but also you can rank with all of these. And again, I will leave some more in my SOP. This is just an example for you to kind of know. And yeah, a little bonus tip here is that you can publish on multiple websites targeting the same keyword. And this is what I think a lot of people don't realize, is that when it comes to affiliate marketing, because I've been doing affiliate marketing for a long time and I've used a lot of SEO strategies to rank keywords. Sometimes I might want to rank for the same keyword from different domains, because then I just exclude all of my competition. If I have because people don't always just go to the top first result, people tend to go to maybe top 5 results. And if I own all of the top 5, then I'm 100% going to get my affiliate commissions or sell my products or whatever it is. So you can rank Medium, LinkedIn, so on and so forth. Just make sure that one thing here is you can just copy paste exactly same title, exactly same article, because that is a duplicate. So you just want to generate new unique content if you are going to do this. So another little thing here is that what I sort of mentioned before, because these links are very strong domains, like they're crazy strong domains, like Medium, LinkedIn, what you can do is you can throw some dodgy backlinks, and most likely these websites are not going to get penalized. So this is, do it in your own caution. I'm not saying that you can do this and nothing will happen, but I'm saying that from what I've seen, you can do this sometimes. Like if you just have your own website that doesn't have as high of a domain authority, and you just throw some, you go on Fiverr, you buy some dodgy backlinks, almost guaranteed your website is going to get penalized and that article is just going to be buried. However, on these big websites, sometimes it can pass. So just a little note, I will say, do it within your own risk if you decide to do that. Okay, so now let me also mention some advanced strategies. And as I said, by the way, I will leave all of this in like actionable steps and with like more different tips. I'm just going quickly through the strategy. So if you're using social mediums such as, Medium, LinkedIn, Reddit, Quora, if your post gets higher engagement, your influence ranks. So basically, let's say there might be multiple people that are targeting same keyword, and let's say I created like an article on LinkedIn, or I created a post on Reddit. If I get more upvotes, and it depends platform to platform, it has different influence, but specifically, let's say for Reddit, if my post is getting more engagement, more upvotes, more comments, all of that kind of stuff, then even if other people are using same strategy, or if there are some articles maybe that are ranking already, for example, a lot of articles with Reddit, with LinkedIn, with Medium, they're already ranking on Google for specific keywords, but maybe you want to outrank them. So one of the ways you can do what I mentioned, well, you can do obviously backlinks, but also what you can do is you can just have, if it's social media platform, you can have higher engagement, and that's going to help you to rank. So this is black hat. I'm not saying you should do this. The system is broken. So, if you want, I'm just giving the information out here. What you can do, and this is another strategy. And again, if you want, I will include this in the SOP. But basically, you can create multiple accounts, and you need to use untrackable software to be able to do this. You can't just do this on your computer as it is. You're going to get banned. But there are certain softwares where you can basically create a bunch of different accounts, and it's on sort of virtual machines. So these different social media platforms, they are not able to understand that it's all you. And then there are certain websites where you can basically buy upvotes, by engagement, things like that. And honestly, let me know if you want. I will create a strategy for Reddit, because Reddit is absolutely killing it with this, and it's super kind of, well, it's a little bit complicated, but it's not crazy complicated. And you can, doing this strategy, buying upvotes, buying engagement, you can rank posts like crazy, and then have your offer for people to purchase. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's the whole strategy. I will leave all of the links, all of the SOPs, step by step how you need to do this. If you found it useful, smash the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.